Get your calendars out. February 17th, February 18th, live trading, San Diego. We got the Lowe's Coronado. I mean, what else would you want? This event is limited to 50 people. Look at your calendar, clear it, make sure you show up. If you want to be a rebel, this is the place to be. You got to sign up for it now. Giddy up, baby.
All right, welcome back to 3 at 3. Going into the studio with Charles Payne in a bit, and so getting this one out so that we don't leave you hanging. And today's first trade on 3 at 3 is Snap. Now, Snap has earnings tomorrow after the close. Snap! So you need to be aware of that. They're buying February 13 calls with the stock just under $11 a share. So that is our first trade. It's a weekly trade, February 3rd expiration, Snap. Stock trading $10.99, and they're buying the 13 calls that expire this Friday, paying about 48 cents for those. I'll have the next two right after this. All right, and before we give you that second pick, if you go to marketrebellion.com/register, that's marketrebellion.com/register, you can join AJ Monty, our chief market technician, and I tomorrow after the bell to talk about what's going on into these earnings. And you know whose earnings are coming right up on board real quick. That's right, Apple, Facebook, Snap, bang. So check that out. All right, second trade today. American Express, AXP. The stock was $177.60. They were buying the, again, February 3rd expiration. So that's this Friday expiration, 180 calls. So those calls were purchased for 83 cents all the way up to $1.70. So that means they were running them. They were trying to buy more than the street wanted to sell, really. So those calls were moving up faster than the stock. That's another tell, folks. Thank you. Back in a sec with the third and final of today's 3 at 3. All right, and today's third and final on 3 at 3 is CAG. Almost rhymes, right? So CAG, bullish call buying the stock, was just beneath 37. It was trading 36.99. Somebody bought 10,400 of the 3rd of February, again, the weekly, 38 calls. So with basically the stock trading 37, they're buying the 38 calls aggressively. And I like the trade. As you know, when we have a big winner, we want to take off at least half, let the rest run a little bit. And if it's not working, cut the loss at 50%. That's the way I trade. I can't pull the trigger for you. You have to decide how to take your profits and losses. Bang. Thanks for joining us, folks. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on the Rebel's Edge, 1 p.m. Eastern Time.